Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone or Mac is signed into the Apple ID that owns the AirPods, AirPods are charged, and Wi-Fi is active. Once ready, go to Settings and open Bluetooth on iPhone, tap the info icon next to the AirPods. If using a Mac, open Find My and select Devices. Do this now so you can locate the AirPods entry to remove them from your account. That entry is what links the hardware to your Apple ID. Once you've located the AirPods entry, choose Forget this device on Bluetooth or Remove and Find My. This severs the local pairing and unlinks the accessory. Make sure you enter your Apple ID password when prompted to authorize the removal. If the AirPods are offline, sign in to iCloud. Open Find iPhone, select All Devices, pick the AirPods and click Remove this device. Doing this ensures the AirPods no longer appear under your... To finalize, perform a factory reset. Place AirPods in the case, open the lid, press and hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Once reset, attempt to pair them to a different device to confirm they are no longer tied to your Apple ID. If the activation lock still appears, sign out and back into iCloud on your device and try again. If that fails, contact Apple support and have your proof of purchase ready to remove the lock for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.